Today I'm going to show you how to make a Madeira cake. You will need 175 grams of margarine or butter, 175 grams of caster sugar, 200 grams of self-raising flour, 50 grams of ground almonds, 3 eggs and the zest of 1 lemon. Firstly, in a bowl to your sugar, add your butter or margarine and mix until well combined. Then grate in the zest of your lemon and add your eggs and mix again until really well combined. Then add your self-raising flour and your ground almonds, and once again you want to mix it until it's really well combined and it's a lovely smooth batter. You will find this is a thicker cake batter. It's because Madeira cake is a thicker, kind of more stodgier cake. So don't worry if you're thinking that it's a bit too thick for a cake batter. It is supposed to be a thicker cake batter. Then you want to pre-grease and pre-line a 7-inch or an 18cm cake tin. And then simply pop your cake batter in there. And then pop this in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for about an hour or until a skewer comes out the middle clean. And there you have it. That is how you make a Madeira cake.